Here we come to the elevator at the Arhaus furniture store at the Woodlands Mall in the Woodlands, Texas. This is an Otis HydroFit MRL hydraulic elevator. This is machine roomless hydro that you are seeing here. Anyways, I can't even bear myself then to talk over that music to avoid copyright. But thankfully the elevator's finally coming down and you can hear how loud the motor sound is. So with that being said, this is my very first Otis HydroFit MRL I've ever seen in real time. All right, here it is. So let's see how this thing does. All right, let's go to 1. I might go for one more ride. Sorry I have to talk a lot because, well, this is a store anyways. I cannot be talking too loud because I could be drawing a lot of attention and probably cause a bunch of problems, which I don't want. So I do apologize that the music is really just something that is hard to drown out. But anyways, we're gonna go back down. I'm not gonna watch the door close because I am in a very crunch on time to leave. But anyways, this is my very ever first Otis HydroFit machine roomless hydraulic elevator. Which a lot of times with the machine tucked into the shaft, especially for hydraulic powers, it can be a fire hazard. Having the machine literally in the shaft where the elevator car is. But anyways, hope you enjoyed. That's it. Thanks for watching.